Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new product review, first impressions, comparison. So I hope you will enjoy it. Before I start and show you what today's product is, make sure to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and press that bell button to be notified when I upload my new videos. So the new product that I want to chat about today is from Charlotte Tilbury and is her new mascara. Charlotte Tilbury recently launched her newest addition to the Pillow Talk range, and it's the mascara. It was a perfect timing for me because my old one was just about to finish, so I thought that's a great timing to try something new. So I bought this mascara. It was 29 euro on her website, and girls, this mascara promises you lashes of your dreams. So I won't bore you by reading all the amazing stuff it claims to do to your lashes. I'm just gonna say that it claims to give you volume, length, a stretch to your lashes, and vertical lift as well. It claims to make your eyes look bigger, brighter, more awake, and just fabulous in general. It's also smudge proof, humidity proof, and waterproof as well. And isn't that just an amazing thing when mascara promises you all these fabulous benefits? That's the box that it comes in, and wait till you see the actual packaging. Look how beautiful this is. I know 29 euro is not the cheapest for mascara, but despite it being quite expensive, it just screams glamour. It's so beautiful. It feels very expensive, and it has this iconic gold cap on top, which most of her lipsticks have. This mascara comes in 10 milliliters, which is quite okay. I suppose mascaras do vary from 10 to 12 milliliters when you purchase them, and it only comes in color black so far, and it promises you to give the blackest of black finish. I think the whole secret of this mascara is its wand. So the wand, it's not your usual normal wand, it's a bit different. It's a plasticky kind of finish wand. On two sides it has bristles, very short bristles, and then on the other side, when you turn it vertically, it has no bristles, so it's pretty much just flat. When I first time opened it and looked at the wand, it was, wait a second, it looks so much like the Fenty one. You know, the Fenty full frontal mascara? Same concept. I think it's like a copy or even the same concept of the wands. So as you can see, Fenty one on this side has bristles on the side as well, and then when you kind of twist it to the side, it has this flat side as well as the Charlotte Tilbury's one as well. So it's pretty much the same thing, I was thinking. The only difference that I've noticed is that the full frontal mascara actually has some bristles on a side, which Charlotte Tilbury one is just completely flat at the sides. But the concept is the same. And you use your flat side first, and then you use your bristle side to lift the lash. So same idea. So I don't know if Charlotte Tilbury took this idea of creating this wand of Fenty or what, but just to let you know that the wands are absolutely similar. If you're new to this type of wand, there's actually how to use this mascara on Charlotte Tilbury website, so you can have a look at that. I personally had to look at it as well, because I'm not gonna lie, the first time I tried it, I was a bit like, ooh. So because you have to come really close to your roots of your lashes with the flat side, I was a bit like jumpy because it's so close to your eye. I made a mess. My first attempt was like, oh my god, mascara all over my lid and on the lower lash line. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna watch that video and see how to use it properly. So after watching it, it was so much clearer how to use it and not to go all smudgy around my eyes. So before I jump into showing you how that works and how to apply it, one thing I want to mention, that when you take the wand out of this packaging, so much product comes out together with the wand, literally, like, it's so wet. So what you need to do first is really give it a good clean from all sides, just to get rid of that excess mascara that sits on the wand. Otherwise it's not gonna work. It's gonna just clump up your lashes and it's not gonna look glamorous. In the description it says that you don't even need to curl your lashes with a lash curler if you're doing that, because it's gonna do the whole work for you. Okay, let's do this. So what you need to do, just use the flat side, not the bristle side, but the flat side, and come as close as you can to the roots of your lashes to lift. And then once you have some product on the roots of your lashes, just start twisting this wand to the bristle side and lengthening it up. I'm starting with the flat side, going very close to the roots of my lashes, and as I'm going up, I'm gonna twisting that a little bit. So the movement that I'm doing is kind of half twisting it in 180 degrees, starting with the flat side along the roots of my lashes and twisting it when I'm going up. So it's kind of just brushing up. And then they say as well, you can use the actual tip to just target your inner corner lashes here, the little baby ones that is always hard to reach, by just kind of combing them up like this. And you can do actually the same with the bottom ones. So just keep it vertically and just brush along your lower lashes. So this is how it looks with the one coat. I'm not gonna re-dip my wand. I'm just gonna use whatever I have again. So I'm gonna repeat the same step. It's actually great because you still can build up the product. It doesn't go all superly dry. And I love to go from the inner part to the outer part like this to just kind of comb the inside of my lashes as well. So you can see the difference here. It made my lashes so long. I can really feel that lift from the roots of my lashes. Like, I feel like I don't even need fake lashes now. It looks absolutely beautiful, doesn't it? Let's repeat the same steps on the other side. And again, removing the wand, wiping off the excess. So again, just placing that flat side and twisting 180 degree to the side. That's typical, that always happens. It takes a little bit of time to get used to using it. So then I'm kind of just going in with the tip of that wand to just fluff my lashes up. And then just like on the other eye, I'm going from the inside out to just lengthen them even more. So I have both eyes applied. Can you see how beautiful these lashes look? I mean, so fab. I'm so happy with this product so far. First things first, it makes my lashes look super long and super volumized. It doesn't transfer on me. And one thing I have to tell you, yesterday before bed I went to take my makeup off, my mascara off, and boy, I have to work really hard to remove that mascara. So I think it's definitely waterproof and humidity proof, because I always use the same Shiseido oil to remove my makeup, which melts everything off. And I was having a hard time to remove that. So it's really hard working mascara. When it sticks, it sticks. If you are living somewhere where it's very humid, or you find that when you're sweating it transfers, this shouldn't move, this should stay put. So to summarize my first impressions and my thoughts so far, I think it's absolutely beautiful mascara. It really does lengthen lashes and volumizes your lashes. It doesn't transfer well on me personally. I love how black that is and how intense that looks on my lashes as well. I love the fact that you can really build up this mascara as well. If you need to a few times, just make sure to not go with too much of the product so your lashes wouldn't get clumpy straight away. I love the packaging, it's absolutely beautiful, and I really wanted to like this mascara, and I have to say, at the moment, second day trying it, I really do. So the downside, or the little kind of cons for me, are it is expensive mascara. If you're not used to using that type of wand, it might take a little bit more time to get used to. And I've seen reviews online that some people absolutely love it and get how to use it, and some people just don't like it and it doesn't really work for them. Another main downside, I think, would be if you have a jumpy eye, or if you have sensitive eyes and you kind of like just afraid to bring anything so close to your eyes, it might not be the best, because with this flat side, you have to literally kind of nearly poke your eye to get into the roots of your lashes. As I said, first day again, I was like, oh, same, like I couldn't judge properly the distance between where the wand is and my roots of my lashes, because it's just so flat. You literally just have to come so close to the nearly kind of upper waterline. Overall, I think that the actual wand, how it looks, and the concept of how to use the wand is exact match as the Fenty one. If you used Fenty one, you loved it, it worked for you, you loved this type of wand, you're gonna love that as well, because it's just pretty much the same thing. If you have tried Charlotte's mascara, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? Do you like it? And as always, I'm saying thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.